Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use two audio outputs at the same time on your Windows PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your Windows settings. From here, go to System. Under System, navigate to Sound. To access your sound settings, scroll down and under Advanced, select More Sound Settings to open up your sound control panel. In the Recordings tab, right-click the white area under your listed devices to check the Show Disabled Devices option if it's unchecked. As a result, all the available but disconnected audio devices will show up and become available. Then, right-click your desired audio device and select Properties. In your device's Properties window, navigate to the Listen tab and check the Listen to this device option. In addition, under Playback through this device, open the drop-down menu and choose Speakers. If you want, you can navigate to the Levels tab and either increase or decrease your selected device's bass amplitude levels. In the Advanced tab, you can make adjustments to your selected audio device under the Exclusive Mode and Signal Enhancement sections. With that done, hit Apply and click OK. This will allow you to play audio through two different outputs at the same time on your PC. I hope this helps you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one. Thanks.